Hi guys, how's it going? In this video, I want to show you how you can clear the cache on your Safari browser on your iPhone. Okay, so first of all, let's go right here where it says Safari, on the icon. Mine is right here, but you can always search for it on Spotlight by swiping down from the bottom of your screen, from the middle of your screen like so. And just type in Safari. Okay, click there. Okay, I already had a website previously open. So what we're looking at here, look at all these pictures and all this text, all this information. Okay, what happens when you visit a website? Your iPhone starts to store all these pictures and text. Why? So that when you return back to it, when you start navigating this website, and like this. Let's go. Let's start clicking here, just for examples. As you can see, it's opening up all these images and text. Now, when I go back to search for this, it's going to open a lot faster because my iPhone already stored these pictures. So it doesn't have to download them from the website again. So the cache is really helpful in this particular situation. But sometimes what happens is it gets full when we open too many websites and we start storing a lot of data, a lot of text, a lot of pictures. It can actually make your iPhone go slower, and it can actually reduce the amount of memory on your iPhone. So every once in a while, I suggest you delete the cache, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my home screen by swiping up from the bottom of my screen, like so. Okay, we're going to go to settings. Mine is right here, but you can find it on Spotlight by swiping down from the middle of your screen, like so. Okay, just type in the word settings. It's right there, click on that. Okay, scroll down. Okay, right here where it says Safari, I'm gonna click on that. Okay, scroll down. Right here where it says clear history and website data. Click on that. And okay, as you can see, it says clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. So this is going to delete everything. It's going to delete your history or all the websites you have visited. It's going to delete all the cookies and, of course, all the browsing data, which in this case is your cache. Okay, click on here. Okay, it's going to give you the option if you want to close all the tabs. For this example, I'm going to say yes. Let's click on close tabs. And just before I do, just notice how the button here that says clear history and website data is in blue. Once I hit close tabs, it has become gray, indicating that it has just deleted everything. Now, just to confirm, I'm going to go to the Safari app. And as you can see, there's nothing open. The Cavelas website that we had open, it's no longer there. If I hit the history here, it's clean, so we have deleted everything. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you in the next videos. Cheers.